Welcome back. We are looking at cases of COVID in Mumbai's neighborhood, particularly in the MMR region. And here is a report that has come in from Ulhasnagar. My colleague Disha Shah found out that this particular municipality has not added a single bed in the last 2 weeks, despite all the tall promises that came in on enhancing the bed capacity. Similarly, the testing capacity is also lagging behind. Sources said to Mir Now that have in fact revealed that the corporation will only start adding to the facilities from August onwards. As of now, Ulhasnagar Municipal Corporation is dependent on a single dedicated COVID government hospital and private hospital. Let me go across to Disha Shah, who's tracking this story for us. Disha, we've been looking very closely at two areas. A, the bed capacity in these vulnerable areas around Mumbai that has recorded high cases, and testing facility. I believe in Ulhasnagar you found that on both these counts the municipality has not been able to keep up to the promises that were made.
Well, that's right. And if you talk about Ulhasnagar particularly, this is the city which is the fifth most affected in the entire MMR, that's the Mumbai metropolitan region. So if we put it into perspective that why it is important to highlight this city is because in the last 2 months alone, we have seen at least 80% increase in the COVID positive cases in this city. So for instance, in early May this year, the corporation had hardly about 20 to 30 positive cases, but now it has touched almost 6,700 positive cases. So we are looking at a huge gap here, huge increase of positive cases. But this has not really translated the upgradation of the health infrastructure here on the ground level. If you talk about only in last week alone, there have been an increase of over and about 1,200 positive cases. But the health infrastructure here continues to crumble. There's only one dedicated government as well as private hospitals, and combined they have only 125 bed capacity, including oxygen and ICU, and at least 85 to 90% of it is occupied. If you talk about the dedicated COVID health centers, only about 400 beds are available, and out of this 90% is again occupied. So we are looking at a shortage here of beds because with the cases being increasing each and every day, they do not have that kind of health infrastructure available on the ground level. Secondly, if you talk about the testing parameter, here the corporation, considering they don't have a lab of its own, they are collecting very low, only about 100 to 150 swabs a day, and that is being sent to Mumbai private labs for testing purposes. Now what they say that they are planning to set up its own lab, but this will again take a lot of time as they have not yet finalized the location for the lab. So all of these are certain issues here on the ground level, and the corporation is just not being able to increase the health infrastructure on basis of the cases that are being increasing. Now what we understand that in July, hardly they have actually increased the health infrastructure facilities, be it in terms of beds, be it in terms of actually having COVID care centers, and now these steps will be taken only in the month of August.
So that's the larger picture we get as of now, and we are going to keep track literally every week, Disha, on is there an improvement or not, because it's very important to keep track of whether the government is sticking to the promises and to the statements that they make in public. What are the ground realities? Disha Shah bringing us the details. Thanks for joining us. More breaking news coming in.